Hi, fifth graders. This week you're going to be working on map and globe skills. As a fifth grader, we want you to be able to look at a map, make conclusions, and predictions. So you're going to be doing work in MobyMax to learn your map and globe skills. The assignment that you have in MobyMax has 54 slides, and you might be thinking, oh my goodness, that's a lot of slides. But you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to complete all of the slides. So you can be thinking, do you want to do about 10 each day with the ending a little bit more? Do you want to work on them and complete them all at once? So the purpose of this video is to help you to start to be thinking about your plan of how are you going to do this. I don't want you to wait until Friday and do all of the slides on Friday. So what I'm recommending is that you do at least 10 to 15 slides every day so that by the end of your work on Friday, you have completed all of the slides. Click Next, and in the next page, it will give you directions on how to get to your MobyMax slides.